to understand. If it comes to saving you, or the kid, or the time stone, I will not hesitate to let either of you die. I can't, because the universe depends on it.
Why would you do that?
Tony, there was no other way.
Where'd he go?
Steve?
This is no place to die.
I don't feel so good.
You're all right.
I don't know what's happening. I don't want to go. I don't want to go, sir. Please. Please, I don't want to go. I don't want to go.